Open your browser and search adobe.com. Now you can see the monthly price of Photoshop. Without purchasing this plan, you cannot use Photoshop. So now I will tell you about another software. It works just like Photoshop, and it is free. Search Photopea. Now click on first link. Click on full screen icon. Click here to create new project. Rename the project. You can change size from here. Change DPI, background color, and color mode. Click on Create. You can see the interface. You can do your work here. Click here to open your PSD file and image. Select Image and PSD file and click on Open. Click here to use custom templates. You can see 1000 mockups here. You can use any one for your work. You can search mockup here. Click on any mockup. Again, click to edit the mockup. Double-click on thumbnail. Now make some changes here.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now press Ctrl+S to update Smart Object. Now I will show you something. Click on Plugins. Now you can see some plugins here. You can use plugins in your projects. Now click on Actions. As you can see all actions. You can try any actions from here. Click on Brush. You can see many types of brusher here. Now click on Gradient. As you can see the gradients. So this was about Photopea. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.